In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off graphics acceleration in Google Chrome. Graphics acceleration can significantly enhance your browsing experience by offloading tasks from your CPU to your GPU, particularly useful for rendering complex websites or playing video content. However, there might be instances where you need to disable it, perhaps due to compatibility issues with certain websites or to troubleshoot performance problems. So let's dive in and learn how to toggle this setting efficiently. First, start by opening your Google Chrome browser. This might seem like a basic step, but ensuring your browser is open and updated to the latest version can prevent any unnecessary issues. If you're not sure if your Chrome is up to date, you can simply click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner, go to Help, and then About Google Chrome. This will prompt Chrome to check for and install any available updates. Once your browser is ready, navigate to the top right corner again and click on those three vertical dots, often referred to as the More icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open up the Settings tab where you can customize various functionalities of your Chrome browser. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Advanced. This section expands to reveal further options. Keep scrolling until you find the section labeled System. It's in this location that you can manage Chrome's performance settings. Here, you will find the option Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This is the setting we're interested in. To toggle it, simply click on the switch next to this option. Turning it on activates graphics acceleration, while toggling it off will disable this feature. Remember, changes won't be instant. You'll need to restart your browser for these changes to take effect. To do so, after toggling the setting, you'll notice a prompt asking for a restart. Click on Relaunch. This will close Chrome and reopen it, applying your new setting in the process. For those of you who might be experiencing issues, perhaps after enabling this feature, consider going back to this setting and toggling it off to see if it alleviates your concerns. Keep in mind that while hardware acceleration improves performance, it might not be compatible with all systems or websites. Thank you for watching. Implementing or disabling graphics acceleration can make a noticeable difference in how Chrome performs on your device. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital experience. Until next time, happy browsing.